Hello my friends and welcome to Flying Circus Models. Here's one more how-to video. I decided to make this small tutorial while I was working on my new project. Let me know in the comments if you guessed the plane. To say the truth, I saw this technique on another great channel, LPJ Models, and I will put a link in the description for the original video, and this will be just my copy. So I hope he will not be against me because of that. Anyway, the first thing is to paint the seat into the main color. I used Mr. Hobby Chocolate Brown. To add a used effect, I used much lighter paint, beige color, and a very small brush, 1/16 of 0 size. But prior using a brush, I used a piece of sponge. As you can see, I put it into the paint and touched the seat carefully to add that distressed effect. After the sponge, I used the brush and painted cracks on the seat. This type of the plane was heavily used throughout the whole World War I, so the seat could be in the very bad shape. The good thing about this technique is that if you don't like the result, you always can repaint the detail into the base color and start from the beginning. Once I distressed the seat enough, I had to hide the difference in the colors. To do it, I used two oil paints, yellow ochre and Indian red. You will need a very little amount of paint and thinner. You will need to mix both oils and apply them to hide that lighter paint. Once oil paint dried, and in order to add more depth and show those seat buttons, I used a black water-based wash. Then we need to remove an extra wash, and the leather seat is ready. I hope you will use this technique in your builds and this video will be useful for you. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like button and leave your comments below. I read and reply to all of them. Also, if you would like to support my channel, you can do it on Patreon, where you can see my videos early without the commercials. Also, I share something interesting there, so the link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next builds.